So, some of my wires were falling out. I was shocked when the electrician couldn't fix it. There's a little of me in everybody. There's a little of me in everybody. There's a little... Oh my god! Hi guys, my name is Ennard, and you can see my exotic butters. They taste delicious, right? I know I love them so much. Wait, who stole my exotic butters? I have reached true Italian ultra spaghetti.
What the fuck?
He turned himself into a pickle. Funniest shish I've ever seen. Rotating crocodile. There's a little... Oh my god! I'm making fluffing mac and cheese, and nobody can stop me! You keep calling me Brent Spaghetti. I am not Brent Spaghetti. You call me Brent Spaghetti one more time, you're getting scooped. Where are all my TV dinners, Foxy? Where did they go? I'm sadly just a pile of spaghetti. And now I would like to announce our latest sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends. Wow, okay. Into the pit, I must admit, I come anew. There's a little